Let's make some bang bang shrimp in 10 minutes. We're going to start by peeling our shrimp and then giving it a quick wash with some vinegar. Once my shrimp was nice and clean, I went ahead and started seasoning it. I seasoned my shrimp with some mustard, garlic powder, Cajun seasoning, Old Bay, a bit of cayenne pepper for some spice, and then we want to add an entire egg and give that a quick mix, and then I'm going to set that to the side while I work on my dry batter. For my dry batter, I'm going to be using 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and I'm going to be seasoning that flour with the same seasonings I use for the shrimp. So Cajun seasoning, Old Bay, garlic powder. I didn't put cayenne pepper in the batter, but you're going to be using the same seasonings that you use for the shrimp. Once I have both batters ready, I'm going to go ahead and just put my shrimp into the flour mixture, and then I'm going to go in with my hands and pat that in, ensuring that the shrimp is evenly coated and we have a nice layer of flour because we want it to be nice and crispy. At this point, I've already put my pot on the stove with some oil. While I wait for that oil to heat up, I'm going to go ahead and just start making my bang bang sauce. For the sauce, all you need is mayo, sriracha, sweet chili sauce, and some chili flakes. Chili flakes is optional. I'm going to give that a mix, and that is the sauce. That took me literally maybe a minute to make. I'm going to set that to the side while I fry my shrimp. Once my oil was heated up, all I did was drop my shrimp in. I allowed my shrimp to fry on each side for about 2.5 minutes. So in total, I fried my shrimp for 5 minutes. Once that 5 minutes passed, I just took my shrimp out and it was ready to be sauced up. This was a finished product. Honestly, it looked delicious. I don't eat seafood, so I couldn't even taste it. I'm literally cooking this blind, but based on the reaction, I would say 10 out of 10 would recommend. Until next time, bye.